language, separate culture, different culture from the our beloved Kasi Jantia people. So we need the identity to protect and preserve. We are not demanding separate state because of hate each other. We are demanding separate state just because of the culture, language, traditions is different from our beloved Kasi Jantia people. According to the coordination committee between GNC and the HSPDP, there will not be no blood-shedding fight to the proposed Garo state in the Kasi state. It will be mutually with love and respect. It will be democratic, non-violence. So we are happy today. We reconstitute the coordination committee between GNC and HSPDP, like we have before during the time of Let Clifford Marak in the Bahukun segment. So now we are getting more support from the people of Karamis, and most importantly, we are getting support from the Federation of New State Demand Committee, and we are joining the Dharna in Delhi, which will be started from the 14 of this month, 14-15, and coordination committee between GNC and the HSPDP will be part of the New State Demand Committee, Federation of New State Demand Committee.
What will happen to the Garo people, Garo community residing in the Khasi Hills area? Does this demand will affect those people?
As per the understanding between the GNC and the HSPDP, there will not be any effect to the people residing in the Khasi Hills region, Garo people